Hey guys, welcome back to iFood Smart Kitchen. So today we're going to prepare easy and soft chapati using leftover boiled rice. So firstly add 1 cup of boiled leftover rice or white rice to a mixer. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water to it and then blend it. Now it has blended very nicely. Transfer it to a bowl. Now add salt according to your taste. Now to this add 2 cups of wheat flour part by part. Now to this add half of the wheat flour. Now using your hands gently mix well. Now add the remaining wheat flour. Now using your hands once again mix it very well until it forms into a dough. Now it has formed into a dough. Then add 1 tablespoon of oil into it and then just mix it. Now close a lid, then keep it for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 and 20 minutes, take the dough and start kneading it. Add little wheat flour to the area you're going to knead so that it won't stick to the surface. Now start taking little pieces of dough and then make it into small balls. And then place the balls on the wheat flour to avoid stickiness. Now using a rolling pin, start rolling the dough to make into a circular shape. Now place this dough onto a plate and then sprinkle little bit of the wheat flour. Now start repeating the same thing with the remaining dough. Now to a heated tawa, place the rolled chapati and cook them on both sides. If you want, you can use butter or ghee to spread on top of the rolled chapati. Now turn it to the other side. Now flip the chapati to the other side. Once the chapatis start to rise up, using a spatula, just place on top of it as shown. Now the chapati has cooked. Transfer it to a hot box. Now repeat the same step with the remaining of the rolled chapatis. Now the chapati we made using the leftover boiled rice is ready. You can see it is very soft and it is very easy to make. So this chapati is very easy to make. You only require is a leftover rice. Hope you all like the video. Keep watching and do subscribe if you haven't subscribed.